What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by the Orient Store, and we're taking a look at the really awesome smart Wi-Fi light bulbs. Now, these things are really cool. They come in with a pack of 4, and these things can light from 1800 Kelvin all the way up to 6500 Kelvin. They have a high CRI, they're 60 watt equivalents, and of course, they're multicolor, so you can actually go and play with each and every light bulb to tweak the colors in any regard that you want. They also work really great with smart home devices. For example, they work with Alexa and Google Home, so you could be like, Alexa, set the lights on to maybe at 8 a.m. and Alexa will go ahead and do that. How cool is that? Electricity wise, they're also really nice. They can last 25,000 hours. On top of that, they're dimmable, which makes them really great, and they're dimmable directly from your phone. If you need to focus, then you can go ahead and set these to a whiter Kelvin, and if you need to calm down and relax, you can set them to a yellower Kelvin. So they're kind of an all-in-one instead of having like multiple light bulbs that you switch on and off with different color temperatures. No, all you have to do is have this one, and then you can change everything directly from your phone. Then of course, these things are very awesome for fun as well. You see, they have a bunch of modes built into the application, so you can actually go ahead and set them to say party mode, and so you can actually have each of these kind of just like changing different colors, and all of a sudden you're kind of in a full-on party vibe. It just looks really nice inside your room. Last but not least, you get full-on control of this. For example, you can do group control, and for example, I put some of these in the bathroom, and I can actually go ahead and place these all in one room, and afterwards, I'm able to go and change all of them at the same time, because it'd be super tedious to go set each and every one of these lights to party, or each and every one of these lights to the same color, trying to get the Kelvins to match. You can also set up scenes, so of course, let's say, like, they have scenes already, so you can set it to like sunset and all that, and last but not least, you can set a timer, so of course, if you want the lights to turn off because the kids will be asleep in 45 minutes, or if you want the kids to stop playing with their toys after 45 minutes, you can set a timer and you're pretty much set to go. You can schedule your full-on routine in there and basically have it so every single day at 7 a.m. your lights go on, but they slowly fade on, and they'll be really nice in sunrise mode or something of those sorts. All in all, I give these a nice solid 9 out of 10. They're really cool, and the best thing is they come at a very reasonable price considering the fact that you're getting 4 of them. Go ahead and check them out in the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me.